I'm telling you that the government is committed and the government and the party support it. So we'll be a wedding bonny and channel. You could bet me at you. That's ask you to bet me at you. Police bet you. Police work almost at a woman there.
Your question, I find the police bet you.
I quadra so MPA. Your call assembly election or come out bribery. Officer, you think it's not a criminal matter? What are you talking about? Your call, your by election, just now Okoma will be bribed. No, is it not pending at the police station? Is it not pending?
Wow.
Captain, look, let the laws work. It doesn't matter the quantity and the amount of crime. That is why, for me, Captain, look, on any day, we are not against judges. Me, I'm not against any of the judges. But I will also not subscribe to the fact, say, Ubia offered no judge. Ubia so we are punching, would be jailing. Politician, you will define conflict of interest. Should yourself be a petty thief and sit as a judge? It shouldn't be allowed to happen in this country. We are judge now. Would your power as a judge, Captain? Now would tip government bungalow? Now sounds so a percentage of your salary as rent allowance. Tell me why you should continue to be a judge in this country. Not less a judge, a Supreme Court judge, and not less a Supreme Court judge, but a CJ of this country.
Oh, how? What are you talking about?
Oh, I'm telling you.
Tokomu.
Me say. We can't tolerate petty thieves to lead the judiciary of this country.
No, but so, you see, it's a serious statement. No one making no.
Not just that. Not just that, thief. Captain. If a judge,
if you mention CJ,
if a judge,
and you add the statement,
if a judge,
a petty thief.
If a judge,
it's a serious statement.
We can't tolerate a thief, a petty thief, to be even a lower court judge. Let to talk of a high court judge, to talk of a Supreme Court judge, or to talk of a CJ. Law is a serious business. Justice is a serious business. Injustice is so painful. I have experienced it before. I'm saying that not only that, if you have persons who take double allowances for rent, so let the MPP should stop politicizing issues. Is it not the case, sir? The judiciary, a contract have been awarded for Christmas decoration, close to 1 million cedis without procurement. So that is where. Wait, that is where. That is where Minister BWSK didn't back on. That is where we
Chief. Oh, Christmas decoration.
Yes,
they're decorating.
Oh,
let's say Christmas. They're quartering your.
Let's say so. The MPP should be very careful because you see.
Where they young code details.
Yes.
Christmas decoration. Quartering your Christmas. It's the judicial service and decorating during Christmas.
And no crowd yet. And remember. Try have Boakye Addo. Din say we ma take businesses in his government. It's wrong. Anambwa.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. President Mahama ne babia ni government mu. Now, if we can sit for a CJ to award contract to her daughter, where she's a CJ, and you think that is not wrong, and the MPP is defending
contract the mayor.
Oh, go and see the court complex, the court library. Who is the one furnishing the place? The CJ bar. And the MPP people know.
What can CJ?
Tokuno. The MPP people know.
The current CJ.
Yes.
The suspended
they
CJ.
know this.
Or the contract man.
Yes. Yes. Go and check if she didn't take a percentage of a rent while she was living in a government bungalow. Go and check. Yes, I'm saying go and check.
Chief Justice.
Yes.
Government
so when she's all over the place trying to pretend that she's not being treated fairly, NDC is going after her, and she's this, Please, there's a wrongdoing. What is he talking about?
No.
What are we talking about?
CJ, or to government and or Sanso right to fear by
what J. And what a whole bass and go and check their audited report. Go and call Justice Enimyebu. She says she has paid back. If you have taken government money and you've returned it, does that mean you haven't committed a crime? MPs G double salary.
Patrol.
But they're not going to be prosecuted.
Now say then and now oil.
Now what?
Library.
When okay, Calvin Taylor now are down Funtia. Okay, I want it. Okay, I want it. You think he was lying? It is true, and the MPP people knows that.
What about the 1 million decoration though?
Missy, they know all of it.
And why? Yeah, the decorating.
What they are trying. If they like, if they are men, the way I'm we'll go to step 2. But I'm saying that they should stop doing politics on the issues. Baby, the judiciary awarded somebody the opportunity to go and demolish my house when I didn't even appear. Is that not injustice?
Your house?
Yes, is that not injustice? There are businessmen in this country who have lost their entitlement because of a compromised judiciary. Is it not painful enough? And we sit here and we are trying to politicize the issues. Okay, we are MPP 40 saying, Afenyo Markin knows everything. He is the deity of the Chief Justice. Misleading Afenyo Markin is the deity of the Chief Justice. Oh, Yatikromu has said, oh, Abino, they are going after her, and they are not allowing her or no encore. Who told you that the people who sit on the committee are so unreasonable that they will mistreat a current Chief Justice even though on suspension? The caliber of former Speaker of Parliament, former Chief Justice of this country, a former Attorney General, Madam Betimude. How can you do that? And you are not clean. Captain, and you are not clean. Tomorrow, if I'm in a wrongdoing and I'm taken to the court, let me face justice for my wrongdoing. But nobody should obtain justice against me when I haven't committed any wrong. That is the country we should be governing. That is where we should be heading to as a country, where you can walk to the judiciary and get justice, where the ordinary farmer can walk into the judiciary and get justice. And you are in the jail, and people continue to misbehave with government institutions, and we are not saying anything, and we are quiet, and we are politicizing it. Let's do business as usual. Afenyo Markin, in Mpabwa Parliament, you're trying to photo and the buefu. Such an irresponsible character of an MP, where you Mpabwa school crowd, what the classroom, where you Mpabwa Yampabon. A leader of minority who you will shoo, and in the chamber of parliament say, oh, we are politicians, let us do our politics. For them, it is politics as usual. Captain, for some of us, it is life. Politics have destroyed a lot of souls in this country. Corrupt systems have destroyed a lot of good things in this country. And it's time all of us rise up and fight for what is right. Okay, now go for Damiaba. No or no. How is it possible that we operate under the separation of powers? Now your executive, your judiciary, your legislature. In 8 months, the executive was supposed to be different from the judiciary. They are like rivalry bodies. The chief legal advisor of government is today a lawyer to a troubled head of judiciary. Is it possible? Have you not vindicated, sir, Ghanaians thinking that the judiciary wasn't independent under Tukunono? Has it not been vindicated? Look, having confidence in an institution, it may be biased, but it is what the people see and what the people feel. Captain, you may be the most honest man in this country, but if the people believe that you are a thief, you are a thief. As far as you don't establish innocence, and you continue to demonstrate actions that makes you culpable, they will believe that you are a thief. So when you do all these things, and you try to blackmail the government, and are binding saying, and the NDC for Yenya and Kabgana for Abama. You've been in power for 8 years. You lost miserably. No political party have lost election the way MPP lost election in this government. MPP lost election in the 2020 election. Instead of going home and reflecting, correct your wrongs, come together, let's build the country, you want to prove that you are saints. You are not saints. You are not saints. Captain, what are saints? So they should stop it. The Chief Justice, I beg of her. You see, the NDC leadership is led by people who are very experienced, matured, and reasonable. We are led by a president who nationalistic interest matters to him than partisan. Or, said ye who, Nanadu Mudi, ethnocentrism, tribal, Captain, and it's high time we will interrogate again the Agyapong documents. And I think that if the MPP current crop of executive were serious, they should do an introspection, analyze the realities of the Agyapong document and condemn it. Because until they do that, Ghanaians will not forgive them. See, at Tikrumuha, now a small clan have been purported to have put a document on how to rig, how to undermine the democracy of this country, how to collapse businesses, how to destroy people, and how to elevate themselves. You think that political party should not be collapsed? Legally as an institution of fraud. You think that political party should gain any trust from any Ghanaian who is not from Achim or Chebi, for that matter? And when you are saying it, they will say everything. Didn't the judiciary reflect in their document? The Agyapong document, didn't it speak to how they will compromise the judiciary? Did we not see it happen? So, Bidi Bonena, I'm running Udia. Who say your own people, former Chief Justice, former Speaker of Parliament, we now committee back. Who say Omoma Meman Wamu Sechu. Why do you lie to the public? To incite the public for what?
Oh my video near day.
Aye, dear Captain, video no dear Fatuho. The back of some Dutch.
Me fancy.
Fancy. Let the MPP and let Afenyo Markins come and say, it's not true that the Chief Justice took rent allowance when he was living in a government bungalow. Let Afenyo Markins come and say it. Let Afenyo Markins come and say, the daughter of the Chief Justice and her companies have been awarded contracts within the judiciary by the Chief Justice. Nana Dokradia, one signed contract at Maneba. They got a contract at ambulance Meboa. Omukonya contract to ambulance. And Ghanaians condemn it. Assuming Speaker Bagbe awarded a contract to his daughter, they would have roasted him. Then you have a Chief Justice who award contract to his daughter. I'll say, the daughter is Ghanaian. MPP leadership knows this. Yes, they know that. They know that these matters are very serious matters that if you have them, you should not be the one to mislead the public through MPP surrogates. You should not. You should not be the one doing that. Just to give the government a bad name and defend yourself and say, Captain, me, I'm here. What we will suffer, we have already suffered before. And I do admit that I will take any responsibility to stand just in anything that I do. If I'm wrong, I'll apologize and take responsibility. But when you know that you have done something wrong and you try to cover up with politics, when we say MPP, what's it there? I didn't know MPP for one defend the Chief Justice. Was he a judicial committee chairman or chairperson for the MPP? She was a Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Then under your stewardship, you have got a problem with the law. MPP for pen defend you. No civil society is defending the Chief Justice. But the MPP want you to believe that it's witch hunt. We want to remove a Chief Justice and have our way. Until Godfred can go and print my comments and go and stand at High Court. And the Supreme Court said they should politicize the matter because Mustafa Bande has spoken about it. Is Godfred Dami a Ghanaian than all of us? Is Afenyo Markin a Ghanaian than all of us? If your mindset and your education tells you that you should use your intelligence, Captain, to take what belongs to the people of Ghana, you are to be pitied among all men. When most Ghanaians are suffering, and you think that it should be about you, and only you, you are to be pitied. I wasn't trained to prioritize myself at the expense of the people of Ghana. I wasn't trained like that. Oh, he works at the presidency. Captain, because I work at the presidency, I'm precluded from making public statements. Public statements that I know that people have done things wrong. These kind of things, how would you shield it? And I beg them, they should give us a break. There's a nation to build. And the NDC is not a timid political party either. We are only reasonable in government because there's a problem to be resolved. The problem that was created by President Akufo Addo and his government. Now, Bawumia. Any day I listen to my senior brother.
Okay, I thought so good.
I get very disappointed. So no I'm drama man but I trust you because you want to be the moon be. And you confirm them.
Okay.
Now confirm.
Oh, you said no. Who was one of my dear?
Some bars are forced to do it, drain you. You know, Captain.
Media. What's about behind it?
Former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. You were the Vice President. You claim that you are even visible than the President at the time, because you are claiming credit for anything President Akufo Addo have done, without taking responsibility for any crime that was committed under President Akufo Addo. That is fine. Yachi will be. The person is under interrogation. I wouldn't be surprised that if it was me, His Excellency Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia will visit me. All right? But why do you come with an entourage? He doesn't know that when you are under interrogation, you should not be exposed to the public. Because anybody within the entourage can liquidate or neutralize the subject matter. The Vice President doesn't know that. This is common thing that he should know. Who could BNI? What party for? And woman gather her for rally, making agitation. Is Dr. Bawumia not using the Rambo style they are complaining about to go and visit to me? Who does that? A former vice president. You are visiting a suspect, and then you mobilize people to go and converge at the premises of an investigative body in the name of visiting that person, and you want to be taken serious. I am not surprised. Say enunti ena President Akufo Addo tifie nne. They see the adichibia ofre will be abafia. Osema mo support Bawumia. Ofre will be abafia. Ose been support Bawumia bim. That is all Akufo Addo is doing, and his conduct is justifying to me, even though I was feeling sad. The most dishonorable and disservice and disloyal treatment that anybody can give to another is to see that President Akufo Addo today have actually used Bawumia and dumped him. Omo Yusuno. When Ken Ofori Atta was sitting at the ministry, they were using Dr. Bawumia to organize lectures that finance minister should be organizing. We differently woman and woman said no. And then President Akufo Addo is calling people and telling them, say, he is not supporting Bawumia. These are some of the things. Deliberate and self-inflicted incompetence. The vice president, under investigation. Now you have bail. Now one meet bail condition. A vice president says it's an attack on democracy. A vice president says that process is an attack on a democracy, and you want to hand over Ghana to a person who thinks like that. A person who believes that when you are not able to fulfill a bail condition, now Uda Selsa, it's an attack on a democracy. And I captain say and you will be a Bawumia be the president. You will not see between who have done wrong and who have done right. But the ordinary Ghanaian, the farmer, is in remand. Number of people who are in remand because they can't fulfill bail conditions. Go to Nsawam and check. One to me is better than those people. One to me is a more human being than the people who cannot fulfill their bail conditions and they are in cells. The likes of Dr. Kwabena Agyapong, how much were they bailed? Ato Forson, how much was he bailed? One to me is more human being than that. Let me say this, Captain.
Say it.
Nobody hates one to me. He's a Nodna. Huh? He's a Nodna. He's a Nodna. He's from Navrongo. Ne papa nya Santiniu. One to me is our brother. So I don't know why the people of Ashanti region have allowed him to do the kind of things they do. Because we all respect Ashantis. Every day I say it. One to me is our brother. Now who what Timia Betra Radio Akase? Vice President, Her Excellency your friend Nanimse Sympathy. Is it a political statement? Is it a statement that should be coming from a human being who is normal? You say that to a woman? Captain, MPP didn't condemn that. It served them well at the time. So they kept quiet. Want to me to be better radio so say to the whole world, say, "Wono I who say, wono me lodine fridwa so ba." Na President Mahama ebutu ne cook so. And the he served the MPP and Dr. Bawumia to allow these stupid comments to be made by an individual. Excuse my language. They tolerated it. Adam Mufisa President Mahama only out of one. Or you think he doesn't have people who are aggressive around him? He's just, a humble character who can tolerate. But if you take a former president through this embarrassment, and you are a thief in addition to it, what was safe forest? You've taken money and you didn't pay, you didn't do the work. What effrontery for a political party officer to take a contract. You don't do it and you take money. And let's politicize the issue, and a former vice president is supporting this. Captain, I would never, on any occasion, bring President Mahamadu Bawumia, President Akufo Addo's private domestic matters to a political discussion.
Even if it is true.
Even if it is true, I will not. Look, my first problem in school when I was in law faculty, time I can in the buy, girl now turning around the buy. And one more can. And I'm saying, no, nobody should talk about it, because when you are dealing with a high-ranking government official, when unethical and improperly trained women are misbehaving, you don't degrade your institutions because of that. Mm-hmm. A lady took me on. I was defending Honorable Kandapa at the time, but he was MPP Anambwa.
Yes.
It led to me getting referrals in one paper. Hey. I had to write petition on this matter because I felt it was wrong.
Really?
Sawabroni issue by okay. I publicly condemned the matter. So if you agreed to do anything with the president at the time, it's unethical to come and be talking about it when you have problems. What now as an MPP leadership, Aba would to me would disgrace President Mahamadu Bawumia. Wakwadi Boni, we are dealing with him. You say they are witch hunting him. You say these kind of things, say a former president who want to be akwa say so these disrespectful comments were made by the MPP leadership. President Akufo Addo, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia didn't condemn it. Nobody reprimanded Wontumi. So should we sit in this country and allow this nonsense to go by? President Mahama is nice and gentle. We are not. We are not. President Mahama is tolerant. We are not. Let the MPP go and bend the sea. What is wrong yesterday is wrong today. What was right yesterday is right today. And any of them who breaks the law will be taken on. I can assure them. We will like that. Our blood likes that. Hey, do you know how much President Mahama is trying to contain all of us? That you demolish our houses and you still walk on the streets and making noise? Why fear? Some of them have stolen and put in the names of women. Stolen lands in cantonments. Put in the name of girlfriends and women. They think we don't know all that. And you have the effrontery to be making noise because you want to contest for elections. Really? And your grassroots is suffering. In the last 6 months, we have toured this country twice. Captain, we are cooling our grassroots. We are talking to them. We are bringing them along. One national executive of the MPP have not been able to tour this country. They've not been able to meet constituency executives to apologize. And you think you should be taken serious? They think they should be taken serious. Metihase Nano, Captain, in the last few months, many national organizers, because good leadership goes with critical work, engagement. You have to be forthright. Mining, we are engaging. Say, we are MPP new. We are NDC new. You have to do mining responsibly.
That's right.
Because we have instituted gold board to control mining activities. So if you collapse small scale mining, you are collapsing gold board. And it means that the gains that we are making in terms of the CD appreciating, we will lose that. So therefore, we are MPP new, we are NDC new. You have to change your style to do responsible mining. Who mining 1 acre, who be reclaiming 1 acre.
Okay.
We are engaging with the miners along government policy to make sure, say, nobody is left out. Say, obi MPP ni na say obi NDC ni. Beyond that, Captain, one more ye galamsey, one more sense asini nyina, they will also be arrested. Who ye MPP new, who ye NDC new, you be arrested. And we feel that the first step is to engage with the people, let them know. So see, some of the miners feel that they've not been fair. They have to do things right. Because a certain government tolerated it. This government says, no, you can't do it. And now me tukwanya Erastus, asare donko. MPP for Gyamfi abaso se me galamsey.
Wenyebi.
Captain, go and ask His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So the list of people who are his boys are Wamo yetimidi chrono fori wamo make a hobiana.
When you galamsey da?
Never. And I don't have any financier who is doing mining for me. And Kamati has a full suit. Kamati ha. I will not do something that will give you the opportunity to call and embarrass me. Captain, what happened? Akwabia wa Asante and awo 2016. Uko Yusu MPP Operation Vanguard. And Uko Pam NDC for free. Wabo babia wamuye mine ho. And now they are wafa. And mama and krata no asate up. I think even in terms of time wamuye sadia no nipa baku wi. ye win election and NDC boys are wo ho no. Omo say aban abadia. Yes, ye be den. Ye be kwakoje. And of course, anybody that was maltreated in this country under President Akufo Addo is justified to want to call for their palm of flesh. And a boys no call ye. National security intervened. And a palm obia. What does here? To me, honor Erasmus no publish say national security the Nkrofo site was omo ko den. Omo ko supervising na mining koso. So I reach out to him and so Erasmus, I don't think that is fair. If you are going to report on something that involves national security or the presidency, engage. Get more facts before you do what? You publish. Because ejuma na wo ye no. Say Erasmus anko ye documentary, Captain, you and I will not know say we be shen you ye den. Galamsey. So you are more or less an actor who must be protected. In doing so, it is national security you should be working with instead of attacking same. Because the issue there, national security is not mining. And now, may I explain man also you're sorry. Subsequently, you will engage. I actually made phone calls to senior colleagues to speak to them about what work you are doing. Subsequently, now frame, let me took one. And now frame say, now issue no, you're doing him fine. And I'm so my who Erastus, yes. Because or Papa decide. Papa na the concession. Oh, I into a friend. Yes. And no friend I'm say oh. Now issue no yakum na me who say a party a political. And no be say I didn't know a political. I'm saying a politician. I have the interest of my party people at heart.
Okay.
Captain, you can be journalist. I'm not a journalist.
You are a politician.
I'm a politician.
Simple. And
I am NDC, and the NDC people mean a lot to me. So we are trying to deal with it, engage so that we can stabilize the situation at the place. Who say Argentina? A political. And I'm saying, is there anything in this country that's not political? Who say because of that, you have waited 3 weeks down the line. Me to kwanya akoye documentary say Mema confirm me to you that national security is doing galamsey. Oh. Captain, how do you do that? How do you do that? And that MPP people Awal Mohammed Mo sa MPP abranti here onam he. Ako publish say I have confirmed. And I'm a friend, I'm changed. Erasmus, please, it's unfair to me. Go and correct the wrong publication MPP is making about me. Captain Midonyami Atra has saying, I am not assisting anybody to do illegal mining. Neither will I help anybody to do illegal mining. Whether I'm involved, I am not involved, and I'm not doing illegal mining, and I'll never do illegal mining. Obia, mebwa, amaya streamlining mining. Galamsey. If I'm a deputy general secretary, a deputy director of operation at the presidency, and I cannot prevail on the minister of lands to give me documents to go and mine, then what am I? And the captain, it was a lie. This is what the MPP is doing. And to give some of us a bad name, me, I won't go and steal. Me, I won't go and insult anybody. And the Captain, I'll say it, let firing squad come. And the MPP can do anything, they can threaten, they can say anything. But as of now, in the next 4 years, they will be held fully accountable for their wrongs. And nobody can thwart it. Nothing will happen. So they should relax. We have a nation to build, we have accountability to offer, and the stewardship of what we do today is what will win us our election in 2028. And your campaign will win the election. Ghana for who say, yeah, the agreement partner by yeah, the pa. Ghana for one to they will vote for us. It is not the MPP that will tell Ghanaians not to vote for us. Because in any case, in the last 8 years, you yourself were in cells. Yancho. Under President Akufo Addo, a journalist couldn't talk Today, it's all the same. Okatache, tell us, Odi Obi Atem de Bia, Obi Achano. Oye Nipa, Oya Brante, Oya Centroni, Maninya Nejuma, Obi Ansonia Nejuma. That is the difference between quality of leadership. Nye we ya, ayi kubol of we ya, and now you dear bench, Wamusa, Chrono Bon, Wamu prioritize, no. A hand tiny dry. Every day they take somebody's thing by force. If you don't give it to them, they will use the system against you. That is what the MPP have left in our hearts.
Finally,
Captain, year 2024 election, 2028, I shall see you. You see, when him said we still have assembly election a year no, 2 years ago no. So when him said we still have places a year assembly election in Ghana has it.
Yes. Me will say you see the list to be.
Do you think that we have a competent electoral commission? Captain, do you know that as we speak, Ablekumanov, Omuni MP?
Yes.
When him said Jimensa tried to Nicodemously blame the police for it now. After all the illegalities, when him said Oma Betran Trose, Serebo Kweku doesn't represent them as far as the by-election is concerned. Meanwhile, all the coalitions and the recoalitions that occurred, Serebo Kweku was the one who represented the Electoral Commission in all of these matters. Yeti ha nei unim say crofo a ye de call wo mkoye election officers ye ntwa abuka
bebre kete one cry ntwa mo
de be see ha Jimensa de ye de be see ha that ho asem. If we don't have an independent electoral commission for 2028 election, Captain kurumu ha ba ye because I think that Jane Mensah is not fit to be a commissioner of the Electoral Commission. I think that Jane Mensah should not be the commissioner of Electoral Commission. And I say that as a Deputy General Secretary of the NDC, who have had an experience of incompetence and a dangerous organization of election.
All right.
But I think Jane Mensah should be facing the CID for investigation.
But I say,
Sayatra has saying, BVD machines, okay.
Okay. Say be shame you.
So okay.
Say you be shame you.
We am got na yoko enemy obstructing law enforcement. These are the kind of people in US na ya chiwobo anase ya de kwan bi enso ade emra kwan bi so de o mafa. Ni aka say abrofo akunipa because we are MP now law enforcers are working. You have forgotten what knowledge and common sense dictates and expect you to do. Now your only solution is about to obstruct justice, obstruct law enforcement. Is a bigger crime than the alleged crime for which reason and I want to me a share a BNI hodom. So for me, MPP for the what is important is say Captain Ndayeti. The mandate said NDC should fight corruption is a mandate that cannot be killed by anyone. There are a lot of low-hanging fruits in government. Now we kukudura yedi car. Sa kukuduro no na odebeko police station. And when we get there, nobody should say that because NDC for power and MPP for abada the headmasters. To omu de omu pe easy life. Yamfa emra fufuro. Yanchichere emra fufuro because they are MPP people. Yes, no. That mandate is still active. So Ghana for who say Omo mpesi omo chichi nkrofo ma omo ameka so ye na eto aba o na babi edu no but until then, Captain, Asante Bediatuo Afenyo ebe cha si o. Obi bia we di boni okrum ha will be arrested. Nothing will stop it. Absolutely no noise from anybody, no obstruction from anybody, and let the MPP people think that more boni amodi more opposition. Your path is to be threatening the ones in government. Sir, when you come to power, you will deal with us. You won't do nothing. Now, will you be alive at the time? They say, you are thieves and you have stolen, and there's evidence that you have stolen, and you have been taken on. Your solution is to be threatening your opponents and saying, say, overpower. Were you not in power for 8 years? And then, look, people are going to be taken on, and 1 cedi tax. Ghanaians are complaining because there's clear evidence. 8 years ago, people of Ghana have paid. Omutria tax, tax. Omutria tax, and I want to me more loan. 10 million, no more D, free of charge because you are a original chairman of MPP. Na yenyao manko na Ghana fo nko bre o mokola no muntuaka ensi nansi echena obi bia no ho atochema se wo de obetra aban mu wodi bone no ye bechiw omoba power omunku ye nyina. But until then Ghana fo nso behu se aban bi baya omode mra e de ye adwuma no de ebekoso na ye te he am bibisa emo bag bo captain 6 months ago now a mobile gear 800 or 900 Ghana cedis, and between 300 and 250 Ghana cedis. 250 Ghana cedis. And Jerry can Akufo Addo and can near ton 500 to 600 Ghana cedis, and then above 300 Ghana cedis. O say abaya teso nyere. MPP for bomb paye ko nrusu kompa eboso say enka bibinsi nanka Ghana for ho nsanche wo na omumufu. They should be angry with the government. These are the kind of people who want us to be listening to them. MPP is praying for equalization, but unfortunately nyansa na adwen sonko one butaya one betra abayemu was pure to steal from the people of Ghana, and they did so. Now you are being called to account. You will not. Intermediate, Captain. I don't know. I think, sir, I don't could be no abe. I feel no abe chenko for so for say na sa National Cathedral dewe or cost rubber form. They will answer for it. Jesus Christ didn't teach anybody to become, a man of God and at the same time a politician. To see we have a prophet. December 7th, and Ato election, he was keenly involved in the scheme from Bawumia's house to reach 2024 election. This one you call him a prophet. National Cathedral, and when you do this, they say, oh, it's MPP or your MPP and NDC4 are chasing them. All these aircraft now. Otchere ballot papers, this kind. He was keenly involved. They were all involved in this matter. So what are they talking about? You have lived a kind of life, and you must be responsible to that life. What business has a pastor, a prophet got to do with having 2 names? Sir, me metihai now captain me your penny echira wo say me odi mienu a won't you call me a thief? So Mustafa they should call him a thief. Say pastor yanka so ye konkron. I mean, what kind of double standard is that? Scholarship secretary nra wo nua kuma betra ha say captain wo kon kurasia obi aye brilliant na ma meton bidie ma meton wache ontimi ntwes kama no nkwa abrochire aban at scholarship secretary say yamfa mo ankrofo ma no mo nko school ni yensesa wo mo hyebre a wo de utimi fadin e de ko obi ko UK no wagiska no wadi na nipa na nam UK in the name of scholarship. Is it not criminal? When the laws are dealing with you, you say NDC. Ena yetiha. Cocoa board, Captain. Cocoa board CEO in the last 8 years was not an ordinary. Cocoa board CEOs now, President Akufo Addo, they were not coming from Volta region. Omunye Infantifo, Omuye Akanfo, Sameboa Kasabeboa. And you want to cocoa board. Woman name the benefit of cocoa to Ashantis. Don't they know? President Akufo Addo no nyaka. Doesn't he know the benefit of cocoa to the Ashanti people where they get votes from? And when you are interrogating these facts, look at the things that are coming out of cocoa board. And all those things, Afenyo markins munyina kahubi.
Hey.
Of course. Afenyo markins munyina kahubi. When you are interrogating the issue, they say, oh, I end this if they are witch hunting. Witch hunting what? A politician who is a businessman. And you do things right, you inflate invoices, and you don't expect the law to interrogate what you have done. Yet Tikrobu has saying, and say, for us to win election, young Conquerors a Volta region for before the Omuache, one sessionist group, Okaya, Western Togoland. No one creating an artificial group beer. You best know about common the flags that Kwakwa no the tipper tracks are not here. Now you deploy soldier for Kwakwa intimidating Crawford. One more year, Yami, a coche, one more, a bimu, bimbila. Eko do yendi.
Wow.
After na free abaimua. All those things are over. Adentia. You do all of these things and you expect that the law should not deal with you. How can you sit in a country where you decide, say, very evil-minded, say, Ebimu de Ayanka say, almost Western Togoland, the emphasis soldier for Nkogu Waposo. Is that how to govern a country? And when you say it, instead of the MPP sitting down and reflecting over their wrongs and taking responsibility for same and engaging, the other things that say Yeti will be a Yemache MPs are more parliament to know. We are a very lenient government, Captain. And you see, when we won election, there were two things beckoning this country: cleansing and revenge. Cleansing and revenge were the two common things every single Ghanaian was yearning for. It takes a wise leader like President John Dramani Mahama to navigate the ship. They call us the Hawks. Afenyo Markins call us the Hawks. Don't allow the Hawks to run the government. President Mahama has actually assembled the mild ones. If the Hawks were in charge, MPP they will attest to what wrong they have committed. You call us the Hawks because we are NDC people. Don't allow the Hawks. President Mahama decided that let the laws take its own natural course. That is the only reason why Amuakwata munyina yanyanche womo.
Amuakwata so meche no.
Yanche say. Amuakwata. Ope uncle heaven no mra from. The time drew, he will be arrested. Hey, obi a wotimi sorry. No oka say 11 ma abolish road tolls bank parliament. Is it not causing financial loss? Why are they causing financial loss by? President Akufo Addo as Attorney General. The vehicles coming from Togo, Burkina Faso, all of these are fire coin. What is more criminal than doing that? Because you want to win election at all costs. Captain, and now Dominic Nitwell, he was talking and I was shocked. I was shocked, sir. There are wise people in the NDC who think that we should tame down and manage things properly. Dominic Nitwell, you are facing a military uniform scandal. Was it not the Minister for Defense?
Hey.
Military uniforms, was he not the Minister for Defense? The armored vehicles, was he not the Minister for Defense? Allowances are soldier for our peacekeeping. Was he not the Minister for Defense? All of these under you as a minister. And you are talking as if you are a saint. When they were doing that thing, I was watching the video. Most of the people in that video are people who are under investigation. The entire agitation was to cover up, was to silence the people of Ghana. So MPP, sorry, we are agitating. No, they were not agitating for anybody. They are agitating to cover up their all wrongs. That is why today, this morning, you see the kind of reactions you are seeing. Say 1%, 1 Ghana city tax here. MPP people have Gyamfi free a certificate verification job, and they are tax experts today, and we interpreting it differently. Captain, the only problem I have is ECG. ECG. Who was the board chairman of ECG in the past periods? Markins. The rot at ECG. If we haven't cleaned that rot, you think Ghanaians shouldn't have a cause to complain? And the light in Dundum, you see, go to one Ghana, the same person is accusing government, and he's walking around. He's still walking around. So what I say, sometimes it's very frustrating. Under what circumstances should Afenyo markin still be walking around? Under what circumstance should Afenyo markin still be walking around? No, being go to one Ghana city. Now, 40 years, you don't move bokron. Oma bokron, ama. Omu fi abayi mu ana dumuso na start. Ena, ye decide say, President Mahama ye bi pen. Osabe ye bi biem. Because every day in Crawford, foreigners are entering our country. Industries are growing, factories are growing. Our demand for energy continue to increase. It will never come down. So let's solve it. And Tiamfa 1 city and 2 will be a fuel. So, Captain, in December, Okoto fuel and I 27 Ghana cedis.
That's right.
And then so they are 11 cities and not 12 cities. Yamfa 1 city kakranto so. Wamusi a reintroduction of e-levy. E-levy was targeted even to the unemployed young person in our street. As long as you send electronic sikabia, you pay e-levy. This one, waka, ubetrebi. Niyam fan solve dumso once and for all. Because MPP people want the government to fail, so that they can get grounding to stand. They are the ones making the noise. Why are we charging 1 Ghana cedi, putting 1 Ghana cedi tax on fuel? Ghana for nebe power macho. Uokro na wan fa edru ngumu a captain wonani ne yebetwa. And they doom lighter. Ye misa se na adu fie wo lighter na say President Mahama fie e wo light. Ye misa se captain wo fie wo lighter na say Mustafa me fie wo light. Ye nyina ye defunu. We should all cooperate, even though say even though say it's difficult, even though say President Akufo Addo supervised the dissipation and misuse of previous taxes that were collected. I can assure them that President Mahama will not do same, and that when we pay this money, doom so will be a thing of the past.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.